Hi, I'm Kriti and you are watching Sorted for You. Today we'll discuss about adverbs. Again an integral element of power of speech. Adverb वो words हैं जो हमारी conversation को enhance करते हैं और हमें detailing में help करते हैं. Adverb की knowledge होना बहुत ज़रूरी है क्योंकि ये हमारी conversation को और हमारे written material को quality provide करते हैं. Let's move forward and know about the definition of adverb. What do adverbs mean? Adverb are words that modify verb, adjective or another adverb in a sentence. Adverb वो words हैं जो किसी भी sentence में verb, adjective या किसी दूसरे adverb को highlight, modify या उसकी detailing करते हैं. So these are some examples. John runs quickly. This is a very sour kiwi. Ram writes very clearly. Quickly in the first statement, very in the second statement, and very again in the third statement are adverbs. In the first statement, quickly tells us, which means that run is a verb and quickly is modifying that verb. So here in this sentence, quickly comes after run. Run is a verb and run is being modified by word quickly. So here quickly is an adverb. In the second statement, very is actually modifying an adjective, which is sour. Sour is basically a taste. Here this sentence is telling us that how a kiwi is very sour. So very here is modifying the adjective sour, and so this is an adverb. Ram writes very clearly. Here in this sentence, clearly is an adverb and very is again an adverb. And very is modifying clearly. In this sentence, we come to know that how Ram writes. Ram writes clearly. Ram writes very clearly. So very is highlighting clearly. So in these three sentences, we came to know how an adverb modifies a verb, an adjective and another adverb in a sentence. In certain cases, adverb also modifies phrases. बहुत से ऐसे भी एग्जाम्पल्स होते हैं जहाँ पर एक एडवर्ब फ्रेजेस को मॉडिफाई या उनकी डिटेलिंग करता है. He was dressed all in blue. He was sitting close beside her. पहले स्टेटमेंट में all और दूसरे स्टेटमेंट में close. In the first sentence, he was dressed all in blue. After all, it is in blue. So, the word all is highlighting a phrase here. In the first sentence, he was dressed all in blue is modifying particularly all in blue. All, which is an adverb, is modifying all in blue. In the second statement, he was sitting close beside her. Close modifies beside her. So here close is modifying or highlighting or detailing the part beside her. Now let's move forward towards types of adverbs. अब हम adverbs के types भी देख लेते हैं. First, adverb of time. It describes when things happen. Adverb of time tells about when something happened. They are mostly placed at the end of the sentence. Adverb of time हमें बताता है कब क्या हो रहा है और ये ज़्यादातर किसी भी सेंटेंस के आखिर में होते हैं. So some example sentences are I have heard this before. He comes here daily. So whenever in any sentence there is a word at the end of the sentence which is telling us that when a particular act is taking place, we will identify the word in the end as an adverb, and especially adverb of time. Next is adverb of frequency. Describes how often an act is taking place or how often something takes place or how often something happens. Adverb of frequency हमें ये बताता है कि कितनी बार कोई चीज़ हुई या कब कब कोई चीज़ हुई. अब हम इससे रिलेटेड कुछ सेंटेंसेस देख लेते हैं. I have told you twice. He often make mistakes. यहाँ पे twice और often दोनों ही adverb of frequency हैं because both the sentences are about frequency of something. I have told you twice. Here we can understand that someone is talking about a frequency, about telling someone something. And in the second statement, he often makes mistakes, often clearly points out the frequency towards he makes mistakes. Whenever there is a statement telling about frequency of something, so the word which points out towards the frequency is a adverb of frequency. Next is adverb of place. It provides detail about the location of an action. Adverb of place हमें बताता है कौन सी जगह पर कोई चीज हुई या कोई एक्शन हुआ. Some sentences: stand here, go there, come in, my brother is out. In all these sentences, here, there, in, out are adjectives of place because all the sentences are telling us about a particular location. Maybe the location is not in a very clear way, like we don't know where it is exactly talking about, but we know that what the sentence is trying to say. It is talking about somewhere, it is talking about some place. Whenever there is a sentence which is specifically talking about a certain place or a location, the words which points towards the particular place or the location is the adverb of place. Next is adverb of manner. It tells us about how something has happened or how something takes place. Adverb of manner हमें ये बताता है कि कैसे कोई चीज़ हो रही है, कैसे कोई चीज़ की जा रही है. Some examples are: the story is well written. The soldiers fought bravely. Both the sentences are actually telling us how something is done or how something happened. In both the sentences, well and bravery are the adverb of manner because both the words are pointing out to the way how the action is taking place in the sentence. The story is well written. It means that the story is very nice, the writing is very nice, and the soldiers fought bravely. Bravely itself tells us how courageously or how strongly the soldiers fought the battle. So in both the sentence, we come to know the manner in which the action was done. So it is very easy to identify that bravely and well are adverb of manner. Next is adverb of degree or quality. Describe the intensity of an action or quality. Adverb of quality or degree हमें किसी भी एक्शन की या क्वालिटी की इंटेंसिटी के बारे में बताता है, यानी कि वो किस तरह का था, वो एक्शन या वो क्वालिटी किस तरह की है. अब हम इसे सेंटेंस में कैसे यूज करते हैं? The sea is very stormy. She sings pretty well. In both the sentences, pretty and well are adjective of degree or quality because both of these words are telling us the intensity in which the action is taking place. The sea is very stormy. So, the adverb here, that is very, adverb of degree, is telling us that it was very stormy. The intensity of the sea was very stormy. And in the second statement, she sings pretty well. We know that she is a very good singer, and pretty points out to the fact that she is a very good singer. So both the words, that is pretty and very, are here pointing towards intensity of the actions or quality. The next is adverb of reason or purpose. This describes why something happened. Adverb of reason or purpose हमें ये बताता है कि क्यों कोई चीज़ हो रही है. These are the examples. I am going to the store because I need some grocery. He therefore left the school. In both the sentences, therefore and because are adverb of purpose or reason because both the words are pointing towards a reason why an action is taking place. Whenever there is a word which is pointing towards the action that is taking place in the sentence, that word, that particular word is adverb of reason or purpose. So here, adverb or reason or purpose is very easy to identify. Basically, it is found in the middle of the statement mostly, and the other statement which is after the word is basically the reason to the first. So identifying these words become very easy. So at the end of this video, we found out that how adverbs modify the nouns, adjectives and another adverbs and various type of adverbs: time, reason, manner, quality, place and frequency. All the adjectives are very easy to identify if you follow the way I have told you. So this was a brief explanation. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Do mention your queries and suggestions in the comment section.